Sensibility and practicality define the 2012 Mazda CX-9. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Mazda are offered, including variably intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Curtain airbags combine with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.